In this video tutorial, we're going to have a look in an Excel spreadsheet, simple and easy. Let's get started. There are more ways to hide a row or rows in a spreadsheet. Here, I'll introduce two of them. The first way how to hide rows in Excel. First, highlight the row you'd like to hide. This can be done through a click on the bar of numbers, selecting the relevant row. If you wish to hide more rows at once, press the Shift key and click on each of the rows you want to hide. If the rows you want to hide are not consecutive, which means they do not lie next to each other, use the Ctrl key instead of Shift. Once you've selected all the necessary rows, use the right-click button to see the Hide option. The hidden rows are not visible in the table on the screen. They also want to be printed out if you were to do so with the spreadsheet, but they've not been deleted. You can unhide them anytime. Alright. The second way how to hide rows in Excel. Let's undo the changes now and let's have a look at the other way to hide rows too. Select the rows again, this time by dragging. Then go to Home tab, Cell section, or Group. Use Format button to get to the Format menu. Find Hide and Unhide option and select Hide Rows. And the work's done. To see how to unhide rows in Excel, watch the next video tutorial from this channel. If you found this video helpful, like us and subscribe to receive more videos from this channel.